peptides have various bioactive functions, such as anti-tumor peptides, antiviral peptides, etc., as described in the previous video. In today's video, we will mainly talk about antimicrobial peptides. The emergence of antibiotics has greatly reduced deaths caused by bacterial infections, while the overuse of antibiotics has led to increasingly significant issues of bacterial resistance and drug residue. And there is an urgent need to find new antibiotics or antibiotic alternatives. Antimicrobial peptides, also known as host defense peptides, are a class of small molecule peptides produced by organisms during the process of combating the invasion of exogenous pathogens and microorganisms. They have strong antibacterial activity against various bacteria, fungi, and viruses. Therefore, antimicrobial peptides have the potential to replace antibiotics. How do antimicrobial peptides exert their antibacterial effects? Today, let's explain. Antimicrobial peptides generally carry a net positive charge and bind with negatively charged phospholipid molecules on the membrane through electrostatic interactions, disrupting the membrane structure and causing cell membrane lysis. Antimicrobial peptides can also exert antibacterial effects by disrupting cell wall structures or inhibiting the synthesis of DNA, RNA, or proteins. Antimicrobial peptides are also widely used in our daily lives. 1. Application in medicine. LL-37, a human-derived antimicrobial peptide, restricts periodontal and caries pathogens, and inhibits the development of periodontal disease. CRAMP in the colon and pancreas maintains the integrity of the intestinal barrier, regulates the microbiome, and plays a positive immunomodulatory role in pancreatic diseases. The antimicrobial peptides hBD2 and hBD3 have been extensively studied in psoriasis. 2. Application in food. Antimicrobial peptides have been widely used in food preservation. Lactococcin nisin can be added to outer packaging materials or cheese for preservation and preservation, in order to extend the shelf life. hBD3 can extensively destroy bacteria in beer, and can be used as an additive to prevent food and beverage spoilage. 3. Application in cosmetics. Antimicrobial peptides can be used as preservatives in cosmetics to inhibit the growth and reproduction of microorganisms. It can also regulate skin sebum secretion, inhibit bacteria, such as Propionibacterium acnes, and is very effective in preventing and treating acne, pimples, and other conditions. Qiangyao Bio can provide a variety of antimicrobial peptides, such as LL-37, CRAMP, K9CATH, TH1, chCATH-1, PMAP-23, hBD2, and hBD3. If you have any related needs, please feel free to contact us at any time.